Vlogmas. Day 14. We're in the car.
With my surfboard.
My surfboard and your dog.
My backpack.
We're taking Leho to go surfing, and then Donnie's gonna take me back to my house and gonna help me film. It's our 3-year anniversary. Happy anniversary.
And there's Max.
And there's Max, and there's Max's penis.
Oh my god. Are you allowed to show that on YouTube?
I don't know. Was that offensive? Maybe I'll blur it out.
Max's penis is so much bigger.
Anyway, that's our plan. We're just gonna hang out and go for a hike later today. We found a little bobcat.
Wow. Max, look, it's a kitty cat. You see the kitty cat, Max?
Oh,
Kitty cat.
oh, jeez.
Look, it's a kitty cat. There's a kitty cat over there. Oh, you see, he looked.
Yeah.
He knows the kitty cat, huh?
Just a boy and his dog. Oh, Max, you're a pretty doggy.
Looking you over, you don't know my name yet. But by the time you looked away, I already knew I couldn't fake it.
Wow.
Coming to my beating heart.
Get back
The
out.
meaning right away. We only yesterday were worlds apart. I think I made of you. If you give me some time, maybe you'll love me too.
Going for a hike. Donnie just told a really good joke, so I'm gonna make him tell it again. Okay, we're gonna reenact this. Say, okay, start with what you said to Leho about Daniel.
Oh, Daniel's gonna shower you with songs when he comes over.
Respond, Leho. But it's my anniversary.
I didn't know I was being recorded here.
But it's my anniversary. You should shower me with songs.
It's pronounced on-anniversary. I have walked across
This is
that
like
one.
the Dirty Dancing scene.
And they're pretty wide, so I don't think you need to be too worried.
I got this need for you. If you come closer, I can whisper in your ear.
It's so pretty, guys. I wish I spent more time at home. This is like one of my favorite views in all of my hometown. Oh, you can see the ocean. Vlog me, Daniel. We're at Sushi with Donnie and a whole lot of food and Leho. She's still chewing.
I can't turn this camera.
Take your time. I'll wait. Nope.
Alright, here we go.
This is Daniel.
Yeah.
It's one of Donnie's friends. We went to high school together.
I was fat. No, I'm not as fat.
Except now he's gonna eat all of that sushi. It's their anniversary too.
Ask me how I lost the weight on.
How'd you lose the weight?
This guy
Yeah, all him?
gives me a cardio workout.
Oh god. Too much. But we're at one of our favorite sushi places. This is where Donnie and we used to go on dates. So, you know, sentimental and such, but really good food. We're getting an anniversary cake. Because why not? I'm excited. It's Graziella from Safeway.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to my office.
Welcome to my aisle.
Sure.
Ice cream.
Ice
Woo,
cream.
Leho.
What?
We got it.
My mind's on.
What a G. What a G. Your mind's on your board.
My mind's on
Somewhere
my
else.
board. Oh.